Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the mid newspaper headline. So, first of all, why India needs to go for a fresh fertilizer policy. Next, Northeast challenge. Then I comes to page number 4. In latest ASER data show how COVID hit learning. Then I comes to page number 5. In that, new fertilizer plants to curb subsidy load. Next, Go Mechanic admits to irregularities, investors seek audit. Next, OYO to refile draft paper for IPO with SEBI by Feb. Next, Center proposes overhaul of insolvency and bankruptcy code. Next, end of GST compensation to jolt 6 states the most, says RBI. Next, new quality control norms face pushback from WTO members. Next, at Davos, mood is sombre as many CEO question economic outlook. Next, Apple gets boost in India as China suppliers get nude. Next, Adani Enterprises fixes follow on offer band at up to 13% discount. Next, price war in electric street has Tata M&M I SUV edge. Next, hotels starts 2023 on a high, air travel demand stays robust. On page number 6 in economy and policy section under that, government to pursue global tie-up for green energy transition. Next, India in G20 pitch for medical tourism. Next, end of GST compensation to jolt 6 states most, says RBI. Next, PGCIL drops second invite tranche plan. Next, new quality control norms face pushback from WTO members domestic industry. Next, EC announces assembly election schedule for 3 states. Next, ATL to invest rupees 2000 crore to set up data center in Hyderabad. Next, FinMin deliberates setups to deal with cyber security. Next, Jay Shankar begins 3-day visit to Sri Lanka, Maldives. Next, Central Bank of India Quarter 3 profit rises 64% to rupees 458 crore. Next, Hindalco Industry to rise up to rupees 700 crore through NCD. Then on comes to page number 7 in deals, tech and startup section. Under that, India IT spending to reach $110 billion this year, Gartner. Next, Blue Tokai racks in $30 million in Series B, lead by A91 partners. Next, Gupshup launches Autobot builder for developing chatbots. Next, crypto exchange Coinbase to halt Japan operation. Next, we will likely double revenue this fiscal year. Next, Sundaram alternate rises to rupees 200 crore via debut credit fund. Next, gaming cause hope for tax relief. Next, space industry seeks dedicated PLI to cut imports tax benefits. Next, colleges warn student against using chat GPT to write essays code. Then it comes to page number 9 in mark to market section. Under that, mint short section. Under that, Japan's yen feels the heat from hardline BOJ policy. Next, mounting pressures threaten South Africa inflation slowdown. Next, clouds over ICICI Lombard stock. Next, I springing in metro brand set, but the valuations are pricey. Next, oil gains 2% on hopes of recovery in China. Next, composition fee for exports simplified. Next, Adani Enterprises fixes follow on offer band at up to 13% discount. Next, weak demand keeps stock of consumer durable electricals in check. On page number 10 in corporate section under that, Fetches sees a fiscal deficit target for FY24 at 6%. Next, firms beat on cross-functional moves to retain employees. Next, Reliance Cap admin pushes second auction to 23 January. Next, Z eyes up to 40 movie releases every year. Next, Growers agrees not to create third-party rights in Koladia's Bharat Pe shares. On page number 11 in corporate section under that, dealer discounts in December amid higher sales systems executives. Next, we will target metro train tenders. Next, OYO to refile draft paper for IPO with SEBI by Feb. Next, new fertilizer plant likely to help government curb subsidy load. Next, Go Mechanic investors seek audit after co-admit to fraud. Next, Apple gets boost as China suppliers get nude. Next, Tata M&M launch EV price wars as e-SUV market hits up. Then I comes to page number 12 in corporate section. Under that, streaming apps may beat more on South films. Next, bank seeks clarity on move to new provisioning regime. Next, Adani Group may bid in upcoming airport auctioning. On page number 13 in the admin short section under that, Amazon kicks off round of job cut affecting 18,000 people. Next, Taiwan's economy records biggest contraction since 2009. Next, Ukraine helicopter crash kills 16 including interior minister. Next, Apple Inc indefinitely postpones launch of AR glasses. Next, Qantas flight lands safely in Sydney after mid-air Mayday. Next, bill introduced to terminate Pakistan's designation as major non-NATO ally. Next, at Davos, mood is sombre, sombre has many CEOs question economic outlook. Next, Yellen meets China's Liu He has revivals seek to limit conflict. Next, job cuts in tech sector spread. Microsoft lays off 10,000. Next, investment banks are struggling in high interest rate worlds. Next, next on page number 14 in news wrap section under that SBI rises rupees 9,718 crore in its second infra bond. Next, Vedanta to acquire Meenakshi Energy. Next, 361 buys stake in Mumbai Angels. Next, Johnson and Johnson halts big HIV vaccine trial in latest setup. Next, curbs on social media over fake news. Next, center plans IBC overhaul bill may be tabled in budget session. Next, India may now be the most populous. Next, Maruti Suzuki recalls over 17,000 vehicles. Next, Ashok Leyland backs Sri Lankan bus deal. Next, Twitter reveals new subscription plan. Next, coal output target set at 1 billion ton. Then I comes to page number 15 in long story section under that why the Auto Expo needs a major repair. Next on page number 16 in that mint in money in that how India's financial system innovated with new tax rules. Next, mint 20 mutual fund scheme to invest in. Next, should newly weights option for a family floater plan. Next, can I retire at 46 with 4 crore? Next, capital gain tax regime on the anvil. What is coming our way? Then I comes to page number 17 view section under that online lies need arbiters that are reliably neutral. Next, sustainability has begun to drive over digital transformation efforts. Next, forecast of China's manufacturing fall are full hardly. Next on page number 18 in view section under that our software sectors uh, and Yoda approach is positive for business. Next, Facebook Zuckerberg could soon face the threat of prison. Next, individual dedication can overcome rigid constraints. On page number 19 in culture section under that, imagine dragons are ready to set India on fire. Next, I return to the mountains for Sundance Fest. Next, Muzaffar Ali celebrates light, color, and memory in art. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.